Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. Today we shall see the application procedure for renewing fertilizer insecticide manufacturing license in Karnataka. The link which I have highlighted now is also provided in the description below. If you click on that, this official web page will be opened. On the top right corner, you can see the select language option. If you click on that, the list of language options for this procedure will be shown. You can choose any desired language as per your convenience. Once you choose any particular language, this entire procedure will be changed into that language. This procedure can either be applied online or applied in person. For applying online, the applicant must click on the link over here. It will lead to the online application page. If you are a click on the new user register here option. Right now the page is not available, but if you check on the other time, any other time, you can find this link. There you'll have to enter your Aadhaar number and click on the and enter the captcha which is provided there. Then click on get OTP. OTP will be sent to the Aadhaar registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and click on allow button. You'll be led to the application page where you'll have to provide your email ID, password, phone number, and then click on the submit button. After that, click on the login option. Now you'll have to log in using the login credentials, and once you log in, you'll have to select the respective department and the applying certificate. Enter necessary details in the application form. Then you'll have to upload digital copies of necessary documents that are mentioned under the required document section of this page. If you check on that, you can find the documents. Some of these documents are only needed for the in-person application, and some of them have to be submitted as digital copies. Necessary documents are covering letter addressed to the Joint Director of Agriculture. This is needed for in-person application. Source wise authorized form O with the fertilizer details. Again, for in-person application, debiting of require fee of 6,000 in the Kajane to Chelan head of account. Again, for in-person application, sale point or storage point land details, own land copies, both for in-person and online. Sale point or storage point land details with rented or lease agreement copies for both. Site plan of the sale with the landmarks details, storage points with landmark details. Form A2 wholesaling marketing license from the concerned state for in-person application. If a importer, then import or export certificate. If importer uploads source of supply or consent of supply with the certificate, manufacturing license from the micronutrients mixture and NPK mixture fertilizers, GST registration copy, state source or manufacturer, out of a state source or manufacturer, like the packaging and labeling details. For biofertilizers and organic fertilizers, state manufacturers, registration certificate from Industries and Commerce Department, SSI certificate, site plan with production unit detailed address, declaration of laboratory facilities and equipments with chemist details, declaration of responsible person as per CA 24 of FCO 1985 and detailed biodata of the person, recent quality test report from the government institutions or notified laboratories, detailed details of the packing and marketing on the container or bag, quality performance certificate, renewal 3 years sales details, trade license or trade permission letter, other related documents, license number, and date of grant. So you'll have to upload the necessary documents, and then you'll be led to the payment page where you have to choose the respective payment gateway and complete the payment. Once the payment is done, you will be updated via SMS on your mobile number. You can keep it safe for uh, further references, which will contain the application number also. You can use the application number for checking the status of your application. If you click on the link over here, it will lead to the application verifying page. Enter your application number and click on the search option over here for getting the status of your application. If the application is approved or rejected, you'll be let known via SMS. For applying in person, the applicant must have to reach out to the respective state agriculture department. You can find the office location and contact details under the office location and contact section. The contact link is also available over here along with the phone number, email and the address. As per the eligibility, any person who already possesses the license is eligible for this procedure, and the person who is applying for renewal must have undertook pest control operations, at least a graduate in the agriculture or in science with chemistry as a subject with a certificate of minimum 15 days training from any other of the registered institutions. And every person shall, along with this application for renewal of a license, have to undertake operation of insecticides, file a certificate from the principal whom he represents or desires to represent. As per the fee, the application fee have to be paid as per the authority's request, or for online procedure you can pay the fee online itself. As per the validity, the valid period will be mentioned in the new license itself. After that, it will have to be renewed. That's all for this procedure. If you found it informative, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you have any queries regarding this procedure, drop your queries down in the comment section below. Thank you.